In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your order number on Amazon, whether you've just made a purchase and want to track it, or you need the information for a return or inquiry. Finding your order number is a simple task. Let's dive right in and discover how you can effortlessly locate this crucial piece of information. First, you'll need to start by opening your preferred web browser. Head over to Amazon's official website by typing in amazon.com into your search bar and hitting enter. Once you arrive at Amazon's homepage, you'll be greeted with their tagline, "Spend less, smile more." It's a friendly reminder that Amazon's platform is built to offer convenience and savings. Before proceeding, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account, as this will allow you to access your purchase history. Next, look for the section labeled Returns and Orders, located at the top right corner of the page. This section is your gateway to managing your orders. By clicking on Returns and Orders, you will be taken to a page that displays your complete order history. Here, you'll see a chronological list of all the items you've purchased. It's not only useful for finding order numbers, but also comes in handy for tracking shipments and initiating returns. Once you're on the order history page, keep your eyes peeled for the Buy Again section. This is another excellent feature Amazon provides, making it easy to rearrange items you regularly purchase. But for our current purpose, you're going to use this section to locate your order details. In this list, each item will have its order details linked. Find the desired item, and next to it, you'll notice a button or hyperlink saying Order Details. Click on Order Details to open a detailed view of that specific purchase. This page will display everything you need, including the much sought after order number. Look carefully. The order number is typically listed at the top of this section and usually starts with a 3-letter prefix followed by a series of numbers. This number is essential for any communication or issues you need to address with Amazon's customer service. And there you have it. You have successfully located your Amazon order number without any hassle. Remember, this number should be kept handy, especially if any issues arise with your purchase, or if you decide to make a return. As you continue to shop online, remembering where to find your order information will surely come in handy. If you have any further questions or if there's anything else on Amazon you like to learn about, feel free to join our community and share your thoughts. Until next time, happy shopping and enjoy the convenience that Amazon brings to your doorstep.